Uh, So that was actually a lot easier than I expected it to be. And it dried quite quickly in between the steps. So you can see I've put my hand under the cold tap here with this one. So it is a temperature changer rather than a solar colour changer. And so this is various stages of going back to this warm state. And in the cold state, it's this bright cerise shade. First impressions are this is really easy to use. The formula is different, obviously, to a normal polish. It's slightly thicker, but the brushes are great and the application is really easy. So I would definitely use these again if I needed a gel polish. Removal, it does say that you're not going to have to chisel it off. It's going to be just wrap your nails in acetone and soak for 15 minutes. So like the foil removal method, I'm going to use these soak off clips that were sent to me by Catherine. I will include all of the links below for AIMEILI, and again thank you for sending me this polish for review, and the racks, they do come in really handy. And thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!